everybody, it's Carol, and I can't even believe it. It's April. April's here, so hopefully April showers will bring May flowers. We know we all need it after that cold weather. So I hope you all got to wear your furs because we had that really freezing cold. So this is great. Now's the time to get it in. Storage and cleaning special starts now. Just $89.95 to store, clean, and glaze your fur for the entire season to be picked up in the fall. So get on in anytime. Appointments are always loved, but we're here every day, Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 5, Saturday, 10 to 3. So whatever works. Check out my little chapeau and my little, I'm sure you've seen, I've had a few of these vests before. This month is Layaway Liquidation. Not only do you get it at an inexpensive price, you can lay it away till the fall for no interest. Check out my little vest. It's totally reversible. Even look, I bet you guys don't know we do these great little scarves, hats, and it even comes with a little cute pair of gloves. Now, even though Fiesta is not happening, it's always a fiesta in our mind at Morris K. Remember these? If not, you can get yours today. They're only $10, and all the money is going to go to Cure for Cancer. So we're going to be here having an Un-Fiesta fiesta on April the 17th. So call us and get in. I also want to mention something to those people. I've heard rumor. There's a lot of COVID babies out there. Do you guys know we have receiving blankets? We make them. We're sold out in pink and blue, but you can call, order it today. We'll make you yellow. If you're not sure what you're having and you want to just kind of get it in for the reveal. So these are here all the time, $3.95 if you're wondering. So we're here all April, storage and cleaning, special $89.95, just store $34.95, all month, Layaway Liquidation, got to get in, first come, first serve. We're looking forward to seeing you. We're here Tuesday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturday 10 to 3. Bye-bye, see you soon.